Nous avons bon masse encore. Bon masse. Ça veut dire nous avons bon masse devant la caméra nous là. Bon masse pour parler nous de tout et de rien. Bon masse, salut peuple là.
Bon, salut peuple là. Au nom de Jésus-Christ de Nazareth, le roi des Juifs, le roi de l'univers. Je salue tout le monde, le Kofi Cana, Tampa. Et puis nous avons une action avec nous là. Et nous avons qui sont qui vont belle médaille. Et puis, à tous si de là, qui veut de là, à 9h, what about you?
Bon masse. Qui problème même ou qui a Rocky Élysée?
Non, je n'ai pas de problème avec Rocky Élysée. Parce que Rocky Élysée, c'est voisin. Là, c'est même côté non.
Mais on rumeur qui a couru dit que Rocky plus fort pas son musique. Qui...
Non, chaque monde bon dans branche.
Ok.
Je veux dire moi-même, c'est les dons bon Dieu bon. Là.
Mais bon masse, je me souviens, il était une époque. Où connaît Mounio, Gison, où connaît Mounio depuis ça, il y a toujours pour rimer des rimes sous. Je peux me connaître que il y a une époque où on a un mouvement cabrit, est-ce que c'est vrai? Mouvement cabrit là.
Ah, on est là, on va faire beau sale dans la bagaille. On va faire beau sale dans la bagaille là.
Gison, mouvement cabrit là,
est-ce que... Nous quittons ça, nous ne pas le pile.
Non, mais interview à faire.
Give you shout out.
Ok, bon.
Alright, I like give you shout out to my people, you know what I'm saying, in Miami, all over.
Okay.
Alright? So, what I would like to say, you know, this is Haiti, man. I want to tell y'all, man, Haiti ain't nothing to fuck with, you know what I'm saying? So, if you ain't got no money, don't even come down here. Because this country may deal with money. You know what I'm saying? So, I like to give a shout out to all my people, you know what I'm saying? West Palm Beach, you know, Lake Wave, Jacksonville, Florida, you know, Tampa, Orlando, everybody. All my Haitian, you know what I'm saying? Zopound, you know what I'm saying? Yo, keep your head up, man. So I like to say, yo, I know y'all out there doing y'all thing. So listen, man, don't be trying to get deported. I'm a deportee, man. Don't be trying to get deported coming over here, man.
Can you tell us like what's going on, what happened to you, how you get deported?
Well, I get deported because, man, I was on some bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Because I was out there, you know what I'm saying, robbing niggas, okay? I was selling drugs, you know? I was dealing with guns, you know? So I didn't know that I was gonna get caught. So when I got caught, I get locked up. I did 18 years. So now look where I'm at now. You know? So my man Gilson, man, he hold me down, you know? TT hold me down. My man G over here, you know what I'm saying? He the boss down here. He hold me down, you know, everybody hold me down. But only thing is that when you ain't have no money down here, man, you ain't shit. People they treat you like a shit, you know what I'm saying?
They treat you like a shit down here.
Yeah, treat you like a shit.
So do you have a job down here? What you do to live?
Well, where my things at, man, sometimes, man, people I know, you know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes I beg, you know, a little bit. But, you know, that's not my thing. That's something I don't like doing it, but I do it, you know, but, so that's life. So sometimes you gotta deal with it, you know?
That's it.
Yeah.
So can you introduce your name again?
My name Tutu.
Tutu.
Some people call me G. Some people call me G Money.
Tutu Rishavan.
Yeah, Tutu Rishavan.
That's what it is, man.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, all the Haitian girls, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I love y'all, man. I see y'all looking good.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So I wanna blow a little piece to y'all. Hey, baby.
This is what it is, man.
Yeah.
This is what it is, man. Thank you so much, man.
All right.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.